Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today, like as usual, top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, like as usual, let's try to see how my previous ideas work out. Yesterday, I recommended you short euro dollar if price from fractal near this level around 1.1280. As you can see, price not formed fractal. That's why I'm always say for short, wait when the price form fractal. No fractal, no entry points, because the price was an impulsive from breakout with the from breakout of this level. That's why no entry points here. The same case in pound USD yesterday. No fractal, price was an impulsive from breakout of 1.2550. That's why no entry points for short yesterday. Aussie USD, the same. As I said, price was an impulsive shoot from break out with of this level, then pullback, no pullback. This is just in this case price from false breakout of this level. That's why no entry points for sure. This is very important. Another idea was in oil. In oil, as I said, if price was an impulsive from breakout of this consolidation, yesterday we can see how price was an impulsive from breakout of resistance of this consolidation, then pullback right now is formed. That's why I can say this idea still works. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in a position, you'll be fine. Another idea in gold. In gold, our bullish idea worked pretty perfectly, as I want to say, because as you can see, price formed false breakout of this level, as I said yesterday. Let me show you how this looks on M15 time frame. Here you can see false breakout of this level, and after false breakout, price hit my first target around 17.25. Boeing, I recommended you long Boeing because the price from false breakout of important price level around 180. As you can see, this idea still works. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in a position, you will be fine, I hope. Carnival, as you can see, this idea also still works. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in a position, you'll be fine. Well, right now let's move on for today's ideas. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, it's pretty dependent how price will react for this level. I mean 1.1330. If price from the fractal get a bounce from this place, it will be nice opportunity to take a short, and the first target in this case will be around 1.1250. Another scenario, if price going back inside to this consolidation and forming false breakout of this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.14. Another idea in the pound USD. Pound USD looks pretty the same. Right now, price looking just for short. That's why you can short the stocks from the current price. In this case, your target will be around 1.25. But anyway, if price going up and try to hold above 1.2680, it will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.2750. Another idea in Aussie USD. In Aussie USD right now price near important level around 0.69. That's why pretty depends on how price will react for this level. If price get a bounce from this place, it will be nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 0.6950. If price going back and hold below this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 0.68. Another idea in oil. I expect with the price going up until $38 per contract level, and here it will be pretty depends on how price will break for this level. If price get a bounce from this place or form false breakout of this place, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target will be around 34.50. And if price with an impulse from breakout of this level hold above, for holding above at least 3 H1 candles should be open and close above this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a long, and the first target will be around 39.50. Another idea in stocks, Moderna, mRNA, this very famous company right now. They try to develop vaccine of the coronavirus, and as you can see, price a long period of time staying in consolidation between 63 and 58 $4 per share. And yesterday price from breakout of this consolidation hold above. That's why if price from breakout of $67 per share level, you can long the stocks. The first target will be around $70 per share, and the second target will be around $73 per share. Another idea in EDSA stocks, let me open lower time frame, like in this case 5 minutes time frame. You can see here price flipping to this level, 550, and that's why if price break this level, hold below, you can short these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $4.50, and the second target will be around $4 per share. Another idea, this is guys, this is really all for today. 7 ideas for the next trading session. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video. Bye.